This is going to be a great race.
And I go.
Here we go. So nice.